Creating a comfortable and energy-efficient living space involves a combination of smart design, proper insulation, and innovative HVAC. Let's speak to third-generation HVAC expert Kevin Condon for tips on how to keep your system running right.
Our mission is to educate the community. This way the community can make a more educated decision and become more comfortable and save the most money possible on their HVAC or plumbing system. We've been in business since 1988. My grandfather was actually the 6th person in the state of California to be licensed for AC. That being said, we've had a deep commitment to this community for the entire time. Carrying this company over 3 generations has truly helped me see the love and the passion that I have deep inside me for the people around, whether it's my employees or whether it's just the people in the community. To be able to help my community in the same way I watched my father and grandfather do it is something I truly hold dear to my heart. As far back as I can remember, I've always looked up to my father, whether it was for him being a plumbing tech or an HVAC tech. So when I was a child, for Halloween, I was always dressing up as my father, which was Superman to me. So every year it was either a plumbing tech or an HVAC tech, and you can still see today, I still get to wear this badge of honor.
From everyday plumbing repairs to entire HVAC system replacements, KC Home Services can handle problems of every size and any complexity.
Transparency is truly key to building trust with the community. One of the biggest things to look for is somebody that offers straightforward pricing. The customers really need to know what they're getting into from start to finish before the work even gets started. And that's something that we always offer here at KC Home Services. We pride ourselves on separating ourselves from the competition by educating the community on the differences in the HVAC products available, allowing them to choose what system is best for their home and their family's needs. Some of the best tips I can give you to keep your house more energy efficient is to mainly stay up on maintenance. The biggest thing is make sure you're having your regular tune-ups, make sure you're changing your filters, and of course, always monitor your energy bill. We also offer free in-home energy audits. Essentially what that includes is one of our technicians will come out, he's going to go through and use an infrared camera, and he's actually going to be able to detect where you have leaks in your ducting. So essentially when we do that, we're able to go in there and tape all these small holes and save our community a tremendous amount of money.
Kevin and his team are highly trained, fully equipped technicians that are ready to help the community lower their energy bills, all while keeping everyone comfortable.
We offer HVAC services, gas units, package units, light commercials, heat pump systems, and so on. The most common issues is actually improper installations, and we see that a lot. What makes a good install is really just attention to details. If you can pay attention to the home layout, then you can get a lot done and bring a lot to the customers and the consumers.
We're equipped to handle any plumbing, whether it's a small repair or a large sewer, anything in between. Our biggest focus right now is high efficiency heat pump water heaters. There's a large demand in our community, and there's nothing better in the plumbing sector that complements a new heat pump than a heat pump water heater. Age, pressure, and debris tend to be the 3 most common factors for plumbing issues, and the biggest way our community can combat this and save themselves a lot of money is by having a water conditioning system. With a water conditioning system, you can truly protect not only the faucets, the water heaters, but your family's health and safety. One of the biggest things also that we try to educate the community on is by maintaining their plumbing systems. That being said, we offer a KC Family Membership Plan, and essentially what it is a preventative maintenance plan. Preventative measures on your plumbing system are going to be the #1 way to get the life expectancy that we're all hoping for.
KC is just top-notch. I don't use anyone else for anything. I refer them to all kinds of people. They installed a new toilet and they installed a new furnace and air conditioner with a nice unit outside my house. They put in a tankless water heater. They also did all the repair underneath my house. They are on time, very professional, super neat and clean. They've actually reduced my energy bill. So that is one thing too that was very important to me.
HVAC and plumbing issues tend to surface unexpectedly, often at inconvenient moments or when least expected.
At KC Home Services, we're open 24 hours, 7 days a week. No matter what the issue is, whether you're hot, whether you're cold, or you have some water leaking, we're always here for you. We offer free estimates and second opinion, and satisfaction is always guaranteed. When you see a problem that may be arising or one of the things that we point out to you, to not hesitate, to reach out to your HVAC or plumbing company to take care of that small problem before it can turn into one of the larger issues.
To find out more about KC Home Services and how to lower your energy bill, visit kchomeserve.com and designingspaces.tv.